In today's tutorial, we are going to do optical character recognition, which means, as you can see on the screen here, there is an image which is having a text written as pay now. I want this image to be read and saved in a document where it is the characters read from this image are saved. Okay, for that I am using Python programming, and I am downloading and installing Tesseract OCR. This is external file which I have to install on my computer. After that I have to write this particular program. For this particular application or this particular program, I will require to install certain packages which are Tesseract, of course. So I have to write pip install Tesseract. I have to also use a image file. So I have to import an image, and then I have to install certain packages which will help me to do this optical reading. Hence I am doing pip install Tesseract pillow. Pillow is to read an image, and Tesseract with the to handle the OCR part. We also have to deal with installation of certain packages where I will have to read the image, and then I will have to write it to the document. So here I am importing Tesseract PyTesseract from PIL import image. This statement is required in order to read the image, and then document is required to write to a document. So this particular statement gives the location of the installed Tesseract. Then I am defining a function called as image to word, where I have two paths. One is the image path which I have to read, and the output word path where the document will be saved and loaded. So image open is used to load the image, or it is used to open the image, which I have to use in this context. Then I am creating a document. The image which is read from the given path is converted into string, and then what the string is saved as extracted text. So what I have to do is, the extracted text has to be written to the document created here. Then I have to save the document, and then as the output I want it to display it to me that the text has been saved to the output path. Now here I have created two paths. One is the pay png, which is the document I have to read, and this is the document expected to be created, and the red one. If I see here, this is the location where I want that document. So there is no document called as doc save, which I am specifying it here in the path doc underscore save 1, and because of the statement doc is equal to document, the document is created and the extracted content is being added to the document. So once I run this document, let us see what output I get. I get the output that the text has been saved. This is in reference to this, and then I get the path. If you check it here, the document doc underscore save is created, and upon opening the document I see that the text has been read and written it here as pay now. So that is about image processing and optical character reading using Python. Thank you.